Saki here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got for Christmas. I do this video every year and it's mainly like me talking about the things that I bought myself. However, I was really fortunate this year to get a few gifts from my family. So this year it's going to be a proper like what I got for Christmas. But I still bought myself something, which I'll save for the end. Anyways, I hope that you guys, had a great holiday season. I know this year has been super crazy and we just really tried to focus on relaxing this year and, hanging out and really just not thinking about the negative stuff. So I had a really great time and I spent it with my mom and my husband, and yeah, it was just really fun. Small family gathering. I'll start off with what my mom got me first. So she gifted me this Chanel Chance perfume. It is so cute. When I saw the box, I immediately was like, eee! It's super pretty. I'm not like really a perfume girl. I only have a couple of perfumes, but I really like the way that this one smells. It's not too strong or anything, and it's not too sweet either. My mom is super into fragrances, but I wonder if she bought this one for me because of the fragrance or because of the pink pops. I'm not sure. Yeah, it smells really good. I totally would recommend this one if you are a girly girl and you do like perfumes but not ones that are too strong. I'm so bad at like identifying smells and stuff, so I can't even tell you like what the base notes or anything are. I just know that it smells floral and sweet, but like not too much. Alright, and then the next thing my mom got me is in this box, but it's not actually from Sephora, funny enough. I'm pretty sure she gifted me this kind of stuff for last year too, but she basically gave me like a bunch of skincare stuff from Estee Lauder. I am very bad with skincare stuff. I tend to neglect it, which is so bad because like I'm gonna be in my 30s soon, so I really need to step up my skincare game. It just really scares me and I don't really know like what products to try or anything, so I'm really happy whenever my mom does gift me stuff so that I don't have to like go looking for it. So she basically just gave me a softening lotion, some SPF like day cream and then night cream, and then also like some eye cream. And then this face wash too. So I haven't used a lot of these products before, but I do use these two pretty consistently. I think that's why she bought it for me. So this is the Estee Lauder Resilience Multi-Effect. This one is the night cream, but it does have like a day cream as well. And I use both of these in conjunction with the eye stuff too. So yeah, that's basically all I do for skincare. Sometimes people ask me about that, but I don't like talking about it because I don't really, know too much about it. And this is basically all the products that I use. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have any like suggestions for me to try in terms of skincare. I would really like to know. Alright, next we have a little exciting gift. This is actually what my husband got me. It's super funny because he stresses out every time that he has to get me a gift. He says that I'm the type of person where like, if I want something, I'm just gonna go out and get it. So he tries to listen to like, what I've been wanting, but then like a day later it's already in my hands or I've already ordered it online. So yeah, I am kind of a hard person to like give gifts for, mainly for that reason. So yeah, it was really funny when we talked about it. We basically both went to the mall one day and I was like, okay, we'll split up and get each other gifts. I ended up giving him a scarf from Louis Vuitton and he disappeared for a while, so I was wondering where he went, but it turns out he went to Tiffany's, which is just super funny and sweet and stuff because he doesn't know anything about this kind of stuff. But this is what he picked out for me. I'm actually wearing it right now, so I'll zoom you guys in so you can see. So it's just this really stunning gold necklace with a little diamond in the middle. He knows that I really love simple jewelry, and he said he wanted to buy something for me that, would withstand the test of time and would be classic and stuff, which if you watch my channel, you'll know I talk about that stuff all the time with like handbags and stuff, but it's very true. I do like, simple looking pieces and ones that are really classic, and this is the first piece of jewelry that he's given me, besides my wedding set or whatever, so I think he did good. What did you guys think? And the fact that it's from Tiffany's, yeah, I just love it so much. The little blue bag and the little box. I didn't want to put it back because I've actually been wearing this necklace like since Christmas, but yeah, it just came in a little box like this. How cute is this Tiffany blue? I miss seeing this so much. I used to go to Tiffany & Co. all the time, and I used to get gifts from there all the time, but I stopped recently, so yeah, it's just really fun to have this. Alright, next, one of my uncles actually got me power banks, which is super funny because if you watch my channel and you watch like my Amazon hauls and stuff, I always talk about power banks. I use my phone a lot and I use a lot of gadgets. In my work bag, I carry my laptop, my iPad, my iPhone, my Samsung, and then also my camera. So I use a lot of power. So yeah, he got me these two. I think these are both 10,000 milliamp hour batteries. So it's a pretty good amount of charge for like how small they are, and it's just like a really cute pink. I love it so much. I love that it's like a good size. Like it's so tiny, it fits in the palm of my hand. So if I am carrying this in, you know, one of my purses, it'll fit really well. I'll actually try to link this down below because I actually do find this is really, really good. But yeah, not too exciting, but definitely a very me gift. Alright, next we're going to open this gift. So this was actually a total surprise. My SA from Louis Vuitton gifted this to me. I was so shocked because we haven't known each other for that long, but we have been getting along really, really well. I'll go into the store sometimes, like not even to like look at anything, just to kind of chat. So I'm really, really grateful that I was able to receive something. My mom actually also got something from Louis Vuitton from the same guy. He gifted her perfume because, like I said, she's really, really obsessed with perfume, which I thought was really, really nice. I kind of thought that maybe I would get the same thing because the box was like the same size and everything. And I, like I was saying earlier in this video, I'm not really a perfume girl. I do like it and I do like wearing them. I just, they're not like my thing. Like as long as I smell good, I'm okay, and I only maybe buy it for myself or, you know, receive it as gifts maybe once in a year or once every other year. But I was really delightfully surprised that it wasn't perfume. So I'm gonna open it now, but just letting you know that this is a really, really rare item, and I literally can't believe that I got this as a gift. So he gave me the bag with a little box in it, and it was wrapped really beautifully, but I didn't wrap it back up to show you guys. So this is the box, and it just slides up like this. The little dust bag. As soon as I saw the dust bag, I was like, huh, like what could this be? And I'm so excited. I'm so excited to use this item. And then in here we have a little luggage tag. How cute is this? Oh my god, I don't have one of these because I don't have any travel pieces. I'm pretty sure what it is now is that you can't actually get these luggage tags without having luggage pieces like the, you know, keep all or one of their suitcases or something. So just to be able to have one of these without buying one is just, I'm so happy. And I know like how hard these are to get. I've heard stories of like, you know, Essie's not selling these luggage tags to people for some reason. So yeah, just super happy about it. And what like totally floored me is the fact that he customized it for me too. So the front just has a pink and gold logo. How cute is that? It's so me. And then the back, or is this the front? I don't know. It has my name and little flowers on it. Oh my god, how cute is that? I'm so happy with this. Like, I cannot wait to put this on one of my items. So I have my Speedy here, which I usually carry this luggage tag that I got from Pop and Suki, but I feel like that would go really well on there too. How cute is that? The pachettas are totally different colors because this one's like brand new and this one's been used, but I don't know, I think that would still look really good on it. So yeah, super exciting reveal, totally a surprise, but I'm so happy to have received it. Thank you so much if you're watching my video. He actually recently discovered my channel, so he might actually be watching this, but yeah, thank you. Alright, and last but not least, this is the gift that I got myself. I actually bought it about a month before Christmas. I know. I'm so impatient. I can't wait for these kinds of things. So it's gonna be totally like from left field. I don't think you're gonna be able to guess what it is. Well, maybe if you follow me on Instagram. Anyways, enough blabbling. This is what I got for myself, and it is this pink electric guitar. So this is the Schecter Diamond series, and it is the Nick Johnston version. I know it's super random, but recently I've been getting back into practicing guitar, and it's something that I actually really enjoyed doing like in high school. However, I stopped for like the longest time, especially with electric guitar. I haven't picked up an electric guitar maybe in like a decade, and whenever I do get the urge to play guitar, I do have an acoustic, so I usually play that. But yeah, I don't know, I've just been really wanting to pick the electric guitar back up, so I decided to buy this one as a gift for myself. And yeah, I mean, look how perfect it is. It's so freaking beautiful. I absolutely love the color. It is totally like up my alley and my style. It's actually a pretty good guitar too. It was about 700 bucks, which is not bad at all for like the quality of it. And I know that this is not a music channel or anything, so I'm not gonna like blab on or go into specific details about it because you guys probably don't care. But anyways, yeah, this is just what I got myself. I love it so much. I've been trying to practice like every week, but of course with my crazy work schedule and my YouTube schedule, it's kind of hard to fit these things in. But yeah, just a fun hobby that I've been going back to, so really love this. Funny story, I had been talking about wanting to pick up the electric guitar again for a while, like a couple months actually, and my husband was going to buy this guitar for me, but of course a month before Christmas I just went and bought it for myself. So he was like, oh, this is what I'm saying, this is what I mean, whenever you want something I try to like log it in my brain to get you as a gift, and then you just go out and buy it anyway. So yeah, super funny story. Alright, so that was all for my video. I hope that you enjoyed seeing what I got for Christmas this year. Not a whole lot of things, but I definitely do love everything that I got, and I'm so grateful to, you know, everyone who got me a gift. And I'm just so grateful that we didn't have to spend, you know, the holiday alone, and that we were able to go to my mom's house. So yeah, I just hope that you guys had a good holiday season as well, and hopefully you guys are staying safe out there and everything. I did want to mention that today is the last day for my giveaway with SL Miss Glam. So maybe if you know, didn't get the gift that you wanted this year, it won't be too late to change that if you do win this item. This is the SL Miss Glam travel makeup case. I had been putting like my brushes and stuff in here, but then I thought it would be a really great case to put all of my little perfumes. So these are all the perfumes that I have. Yeah, not very many. I guess now I have the Chanel one too. Anyways, I digress. So in order to win this item, all you have to do is comment this emoji down in the comment section down below. If you want to enter multiple times, you can actually go back to all of the videos I've made this December featuring this emoji and comment on those videos as well. So the more videos you watch and comment on, the more chances you'll have to win. I will actually be picking a winner tomorrow, so please go enter in the contest if you do want to win this. You do also have to be following me and SL Miss Glam both on YouTube and Instagram, but all of the links and all of the rules will be in the description box below. I literally can't believe 2020 is almost over. You guys are going to love the video that I have for New Year's. I'm uploading my entire updated handbag collection, so please stay tuned for that on Sunday. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you did, and I will see you next time. Bye!